Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about saving mobile data on the Facebook app by instituting data limits or data caps. I should say, making the Facebook app use less data. So in today's tutorial, we're going to cover it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and you want to select your profile icon up at the top right. Go down to settings and privacy to expand that, and then you want to select settings. Scroll down underneath preferences and select media. And at this point you can adjust the video quality settings in here, so whether you want to have it optimized or data saver. So data saver would use up to 40% less data by reducing the video quality. And you can also adjust the autoplay settings as well. So if your videos are constantly playing one after another, you don't want them to play, that will use data. So you can customize whether you want it just on mobile data and Wi-Fi or just Wi-Fi only or never autoplay videos. So that can be useful depending on the situation. So maybe if you're on Wi-Fi, you don't really care, but if you're on a mobile data with a limited data plan, that might be very helpful. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And then you just would click the back arrow to save out of there. And that is all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.